Guys, super excited, super pumped and super noisy. I'm on the motocross pitch today filming some friends doing dirt bike. We're gonna make a promo video, it's gonna be a lot of fun, stay tuned. This is the behind the scenes, so I'm trying to show you what I'm using in terms of camera gear, what kind of shots I'm taking. I'm using my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 4K right here. Got three lenses, 10mm, 16-35 and 70-200, which is the one I'm using the most at the moment. It's an amazing day, it's winter, but it looks like spring. By the way, guys, this camera, Blackmagic, is amazing. I mean, the quality of the videos. So I'm just waiting here for Ale and Matt to do this turn in slow motion. I'm actually filming at 120 frames per second. Super pumped because I used to do motocross as well when I was young. So yeah, it's an exciting day. Wow. I think I'm gonna come back to Italy and buy a bike. So the guys are having a break. I'm changing a couple of lenses as well. Try the 10mm, see how he performs today. I can't really move around the track, so that's an issue. I need to use the long lens. But yeah, we can definitely achieve some nice shots. And the slow motion of the Blackmagic works perfectly. Here the guys just doing some work. We stopped again. I'm going to introduce you to the riders. Oh, perfect timing. Look, Alessio and Matteo over there. Filming at 120 frames per second all day. Battery is not going down. Like, I had two V-mount batteries. They're still fully charged. Three lenses. I've got my Atomos monitor. All the gear. I'm going to go through the gear in another vlog again. So that was a test with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 4K. It looks stunning so far. We're gonna check the footage together. I'm gonna cut the promo, so check in the description because you're gonna find a link to the video. So we're gonna close here today. Awesome day. Consider to subscribe. A lot of fun. And yeah, until the next vlog, God bless.